Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to factory reset Bose SoundLink Color speaker. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there are going to be a few things that you need to do. So first things first, you want to turn on your speaker. Now make sure your speaker is powered on before you begin. So you need it to be turned on, in this case for the reset process to work. Next is you want to press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Now the power button looks like this. And you just need to press this for about 10 seconds, and you notice speaker shut off here, and you may hear a prompt or tone confirming the action. Now after holding the power button, the speaker will begin its reset process. Now in some cases it might say something like English to select English, which indicates it has cleared its settings and is back to its initial setup mode. Now once the reset is done, press and hold the multifunction button, the one used for pairing controls here, which in this case, this will put the speaker into pairing mode, and you'll hear it say something like ready to connect. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.